Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we were going to tackle a grammar point that trips up a lot of English learners. The present perfect tense. I know, it sounds complicated, but I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. So, what is the present perfect? We use it to talk about actions that started in the past, but have a connection to the present. Think of it as a bridge between the past and now. There are a few key situations where you'll use it. First, for an action that happened at an unspecified time in the past. For example, I have seen that movie before. When did I see it? It doesn't matter. The important thing is that I have the experience of seeing it now. Or, she has visited Paris. The exact date isn't important, just the fact that she has the memory and experience. We often use words like ever, never, before, already, and yet with this. Have you ever eaten snails? I have never tried it. Second, we use the present perfect for an action that started in the past and is still continuing into the present. This is a big one. For this, we use the words for and since. For example, I have lived in this city for 10 years. This means I started living here 10 years ago and I still live here today. Or, they have known each other since they were children. They met as kids and their friendship continues now. See the bridge? For is used with a period of time like 3 days, 2 weeks, or 5 years. Since is used with a specific point in time like 2010, last Tuesday, or I was a baby. So how do we form it? It's pretty simple. You use the subject, plus have or has, and then the past participle of the main verb. For I, you, we, and they we use have. For he, she, and it we use has. So, I have finished my homework, and he has finished his homework. The past participle is that third form of the verb, like seen, eaten, gone, or for regular verbs it's just the dative form, like played or worked. So, a quick recap. Use the present perfect for past actions with present results or relevance, and for actions that started in the past and are still going on. Practice makes perfect, so try writing a few sentences in the comments below using the present perfect. I have taught you the basics, and now you have learned something new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time.